It's that time of year. The weather's getting cooler, the days are getting shorter, and people like you probably like to start lighting candles around your house. And if you're looking for an option that won't burn your house down, but still provides the same ambiance and cozy feel, the Danes call it hygge. If you're looking for that kind of feel, look no further than Antizer, flameless candles. Da-da-da-da! And here they are. On their own, they don't look that impressive, but I'm going to show you why they're exciting. Okay, you'll notice here, first and foremost, you ever had a candle that came with a remote control? Well, this may be the first time. So these candles are remote operated. Ready? Battery powered. There they are. This is the candles on their lowest setting. And I'm going to turn off the lights here to set the ambiance a little better. So if you're looking for a flameless candle, make sure that it at least looks like a real candle. The reason these are my absolute favorite, because of that moving flame that almost looks like an actual candle. Okay, now this particular set, and I will leave a link in the description below to where you can pick up your own for about 18 bucks. This set comes with 3 candles in varying sizes, so I have them arranged tallest to shortest here, like the bars of service on your cell phone plan. But you have several different options on this remote. You can set a timer for 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours, so it'll turn off automatically. No real need for that though, because there's also an off switch, so you can just turn them off on your own anytime, and then turn them back on. Another thing to be aware of, I don't know why you would want this next setting if you already have it looking like this, right? This is a natural flame look, but there's a setting where you can hit candle and the candles themselves will kind of change in color. It's a little weird. It looks fake to me, so I like the setting that's just called light. And then this is the dimmest setting, as I mentioned, so I'm going to turn up the brightness here. Okay, so this is as bright as they can get. You can see that my camera's autofocus is having trouble keeping up with them. You know, it's probably brighter than you would need for a video that you were shooting, like the one that I'm filming right now, but in the room, this gives a nice glow, a warm glow, and this is the setting that we have them on most of the time, this bright setting. A couple of other things to be aware of. These candles are actually made out of a wax, so you know, if they get too hot, then they can get misshapen. This one here is a little bit dented on the side. I'm going to turn down the brightness so it's easier to see these. Okay, there we go. So you can kind of see that it's a little bit misshapen on this side over here. And it's dusty because we've had it outside. Because for Halloween, rather than using real candles inside of these, you know, metal cutout bucket things that we have, we put these inside. So they aren't exactly weatherproof. You'll notice down here you can switch on or off an individual candle. You can switch out the batteries. It takes 2 AA's. Each of them take 2 AA's. But 2 AA's times 3 candles. You can see this one's a lot brighter now than these others because I turned it off and then turned it back on. So if I want it to be more in line with its brothers here, turn it down. This remote control will operate all of them at the same time, all off, all on, or if they're not in close proximity, you can control one at a time. So I'll take this one off camera. Okay, now it's off. If I want it back on, turn it on. All right. Just a couple of things to know, I guess. Not weatherproof, not waterproof, but fantastic for the kind of look that you're going for. We're using these for Halloween. We will be using them for Thanksgiving and Christmas as part of our internal decor, interior decor. I love this look. If you're going to have a flameless candle, make sure that it has this kind of setup. So there's a reflection of the light shining onto this thing. Let me turn down the brightness again. Okay. So really this is just a kind of weighted plastic piece that is on a little metal dowel here. And then the light shines from this end, and there's a little, it looks like an electromagnet down there, down on the bottom. So I believe that's how it works. It's just kind of alternating the voltage down there. Gotta give it a little bit of help there, get it back going. But from a distance, these are virtually indistinguishable from a real candle. And that is why this is my interior candle of choice. It's not going to burn my house down. It's not going to burn my kids. You know, I have them all facing you so you could see the different sizes, but if you wanted it sideways, you know, so you really just hide that flame, you could do that as well. Price point is right for this kind of a product. You can probably find these at stores like Hobby Lobby and things, or this is Amazon Prime eligible, and I will put a link in the description below, as I mentioned. So you can pick up your set of 3. Comes with these 3 candles, plus this remote to control them from a distance, so you could set these up on a shelf or something and then just control them from wherever you are. Okay. Click the link below to go and purchase your own on Amazon, and in the meantime, click over here next to this tall one to subscribe to this channel. And on this side, by this short one, check out some of the other videos that I've made for this channel. I've done a lot of product reviews just like this. Thanks for subscribing.